G'day! Welcome to Twinkl Kids TV's How to Draw series, where today we're going to be drawing a kangaroo. Now, you probably won't be seeing any kangaroos in England, as most of them live in Australia, but let's see just how realistic we can make ours look. We'll start by marking out the basic shapes with a pencil before using a pen to finish it off. So let's get started! To start off the layer of basic shapes, we're going to draw 3 circles. The first one is a medium circle towards the top of your page. The second one, further down, is quite a bit bigger. And the final circle should be really small, just to the right of the first one you drew. You'll see how these help map out your kangaroo very soon. Using the top 2 circles as a guide, start to join them with 2 smooth lines. Can you see the kangaroo's head taking shape? Now, using another 2 smooth, slightly curved lines, connect the head to the big circle at the bottom. To add some ears, draw a leaf shape from the top of the head with a line down the middle. Layer another ear just behind it with another leaf shape, stopping the line where it meets the first ear. About halfway down the kangaroo's body, draw a curved line across the front to mark out where one arm will go. For the leg, start your pencil in the middle of the big circle before tracing down and at an angle, a bit like a backwards capital L. Of course, we can't forget the tail, so draw in a long curve from the top of the big circle before bringing it back to meet the bottom of the circle, creating a big beak shape. Using the arm and leg lines as a guide, widen these by tracing a line all the way round them with smooth, curved ends. As you've got this far, why don't you take a second to subscribe to our channel so you're the first to know about all of our new videos. Now it's time to pick up the pen and create some final lines. Start by overlining the markings you made for ears, including the inner line. Outline the head, finishing the bottom line about halfway across the neck. You can then add in a little curved line for the nose, a semicircle for the eye, and of course a little curve for a smile. Continue to overline the body markings all the way down to the tail. Draw over the arm, adding in 3 little lines to show where the claws would be. Almost like a shadow, draw a matching line just behind this to show where your other kangaroo's arm is. You can then move on to outlining the leg, just like you did the arm, also outlining a little way up both sides of the circle. Once you've sketched over the tail and added in claws to the feet, draw another line, shadowing the leg, just like you did with the arm. Kangaroos need all the leg power they can, so they can jump around all day. Crikey! What an amazing kangaroo you've made! Thanks for joining us here at Twinkl Kids TV. We hope you've had fun. We'll see you next time for another How to Draw.